There is this movie, and a trailer of that particular movie.
Must be ready for transport. I mean, I'm dying hungry. You are still shipping goods?
Liking the movie. Wow. This is movie you try no Ghana here. The Lion of Burkina Faso, Le Lion du Burkina Faso. She effects, she locations. Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy until he is 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi until he. Now any just me woman say and now hear me video. Say your first time now download the Lemfi go smartphone so Lemfi ebe chow 5% cashback. Unim so we use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no such all the other apps. Into my catch so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. Ebe boa ye. Say the miso abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store. And I say, well, great people here. Chiamuna Eba Paulino Multimedia. The name still remains the Fresh Boy Papa J. Whoa, yeah, check mo say anytime be amonya about to share videos, I'm like videos. Nyankopon and shamunyina. And me babe di enkomo because there is this powerful movie here. Eba hit on YouTube. On this particular channel, we are making one some actual. On that channel, this inquiry or boy Juma Papa, they are really doing well as far as acting is concerned. Ebia when you ensure down one make through more light on that particular channel. No one follow, no one share Juma also on that channel. But before some canon, if you are in Canada, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, USA, or Ireland, now send this car at bagan. They make just a Lemfi and OBA use to edit send this car. It will send this car use Lemfi, never send it. Lemfi the best rate on the money transfer market. It a free Yantoshi promo code Nusonya Paulino POLEENO or send the Lemfi version on one dash. Lemfi can now send this car. Ultimate Eda Shoko promo Momoso and so bank account so next send this car a fabric for a Ghana. Wow, and then the American 17. There is this movie, and a trailer of that particular movie, and I'm liking the movie. Wow. Once my catcher said, this time there will be a movie. And if you really want us to help promoting the movie, we are here to help and promote that particular movie. This movie also depicted the story of a Burkina Faso. It is the title of the movie in French. I can say Le Lion du Burkina Faso, and no the title of the movie. And now the English or say the Lion of Burkina Faso. The American was in French. Or we can say regardez devant le film Le Lion du Burkina Faso. And I said look forward for the movie The Lion of Burkina Faso. Very powerful movie. A movie free the camp of Africa Kids in Love. It's a minute can say ko YouTube no ko search Africa Kids in Love. What a movie! Pictures, effects, everything is on point to me. Ain't no main kasa bebre no yenhwe movie ne kakra bi. Yenhwe kakra bi na yemra ye ba na yenka movie no kasa sem properly. Yenhwe movie ne kakra The Lion of Burkina Faso. Yenhwe kakra bi ne yemra sisia.
Sankara once told us to grow our own food and to speak the truth.
Keep going. More time. You make it.
Damiba lied. And the terrorists are still killing our people.
We take back our land, our future. Not for power, for our people, for dignity. The gold must be ready for transport. I mean, I'm dying hungry. You are still shipping goods?
Le Burkina Faso ne sera plus gouverné par la peur.
Wow! I almost say you are enjoying the movie. This is movie you try no e Ghana here, enye Gambia, enye Mali, enye Burkina Faso, enye Ethiopia, enye South Africa. This movie
was shot right here in Ghana. Ye share movie no our Ghana here. Now just sound correct. The last time I made a story from movie we almost girl back when Josephine. Josephine, I'm for just in the movie, we see be woman, we Ghana for hey, I'm part Josephine. The title of that movie is Where is Josephine? And to some movie never told on Ghana for Josephine, not on we. Am I be breaking my Josephine Kasa chess on we. This are the same people, the lion of Burkina Faso, le lion du Burkina Faso, or no Eka Hobi, and now that movie, Konokoshem Korano. How almost act here, French are French, brofo, effects are effects. Wow! Nemo, you're very careful. Mimpeso be a comparison. We are promoting our Ghanaian arts. We are promoting our Ghanaian movie industry. And now you promote. And let me tell you something about this, kids. Africa Kiss in Love. Movies are omo. And you Ghana from show. I know that most of you Ghanaians don't know about this particular people that make a and your child movie when soon or a YouTuber. Or a YouTuber. And yes, Jumawe. She effects, she locations, she actions, she helicopter and fly, Don't compare. Men can compare BBR. We are promoting Ghana movie industry. And this particular case, many women hope Africa Kiss in Love. Many women hope because they are doing a very good job. And she omo following foreigners, Gambians, Malians, Algerians, Americans, foreigners na hwɛ san Korea project and they are international artists and Korea international artists because so hwɛ omo movies na even Ghana for kwa no so a foreigners international for na hwɛ san Korea adwuma it tells you some Korea na adwuma and this particular story concerning Burkina Faso it's all about Ibrahim Traoré because French be tough form how they French be tough form has in French be or man French in the oh my god, yes, French now and Corano a cano has it, yes, French and a PMO has it.
Le Burkina Faso ne sera plus gouverné par la peur.
We need to destroy a man who is building Africa.
Il ne construit pas l'Afrique. Il construit des guerres. War that keep us out.
Professional French. We're professional French. What you say? Man, your comparison. Don't compare. We are promoting the Ghana movie industry. French in a top form. Where a young corral and corral, minimum the own when you 18, 15, 13 years, 14 years, boys and girls. In the ages that is yes, our particular movie. And big up to the director who directed this movie. Wow. Director, yes, our movie when we bomb in some money. So if this director is getting the opportunity for someone to invest in some Korea movies been Korea intimincha. She director no. She invest so choose you baby helicopter and fly any baby and guys be a free baby ban o dey has a yenhwe won say guys for be na say ya chinko baby as ya say hono mu nyina no. She effects no mu choose you no. She location a omo fire omo dey yes a sector no. And as a session now to say yes they really know what they are doing. Very fantastic job. Ejuma way eba beto eye Africa Kiss in Love on my YouTube channel also. YouTube channel the Africa Kiss in Love. They are YouTubers. And I don't know say after releasing this movie no be me so be travel ako any other network be as well. I don't know. But me who ejuma am say no. This job must be pushed. Or say push say ejuma we call ema we ase nyina hu. Ema Ghana for nyina hu. Ti say wo ga Ghana ni na wo hwe me. Na won hwe nkora we ejuma da. Ko YouTube Africa Kiss in Love. Ko hwe ejuma ma yegu. Very powerful stories, very nice display. Brofo. What you say, brofo, enkwani ya there because enkwaran keto bi say no, unhye dan tan nya omo. Say enkwaran ko etwa movie, sa no unhye dan tan nya. But enkwaran aya dey way for years a portray omo to the international market. A lot of people na say be friend me guy be producer bi UK na ye di nkomo na say enkora bi kora ho mo twa movie a omo fa twi na ye but omo ye content ekopa ene me ka cha na che no so ene o se cha o say eh papa je true makohwe enkora no mo Ghana am say yes omo Ghana ha ya omo ye content a nkofo hwe omo kwa even enye Ghana fompo ene hwe omo content ni mo foreigners ene hwe enkora no Africa Case in Love. The new one. Abba, the Lion of Burkina Faso, Le Lion du Burkina Faso. What you say? It's a French, pronunciation is different from English, French, say Le Lion du Burkina Faso. And I will say the Lion of Burkina Faso. A powerful movie. Africa Kiss and Love. De Abba, also beer, and you Minyanya data movie, ever drop it. On my channel, so but me try say, me find out. Down be drop a video no pe, me ba be catch you no akwa a share bi am out there. Who say Ghana movie industry say ni yepe no. We bought her, na we so bought her, na ayefe eba sana, e the competition eba beto industry nim. E the competition eba enti eba sana ba kofo entimi nka se ono nko an na betima ye movie. Ama obi aba be hwe, ano so no ko betima ye good movie. E also obi anso timi ye bi na obi challenge a once what me about out ababy prove now oba no so be challenge na onso be kasa no wantimi am be prove bia am to be meet that standard na eh na mafa be kasa oh Canadian na onso dey ba be kan but with this particular one Africa Case in Love with the Lion of Burkina Faso is a story of Ibrahim Traoré, the president of the Burkina Faso. So regardez devant le film Le Lion du Burkina Faso. Look forward for the movie The Lion of Burkina Faso. Ça c'est joli film. Ça c'est joli film. C'est French, c'est joli film. It's very beautiful movie. It's very nice movie. Oui, ça c'est bon. So may urge everyone I will share me say try say movie never to Africa Case in Love YouTube channel na also be call na wa kwa be very nice movie, very powerful movie. My member director number so na member sankora they are growing to become adult actors and actresses. Right now, they are, we can say, l'enfant, and I say les enfants. French in say, omo yankora, they are omo yankora. French can say les enfants, not just say yankora children. But omo nyina, a man, be man be gros garçon, just omo be big boys. What you say? Ne man so aba be we can say fields, ne say omo be big girls. What I say, belle filles, beautiful girls are joining the Ghana movie industry. So they can replace the pushers, the John Dumelos, the Ajete Anans, the Jackie Appias and the Nadia Buaris, the Juliet Ibrahim, the Rosalind Ngizas and those actors na yenimono. These children are growing to become very, very good and powerful actresses. And as actors in Ghana, the Asian in the English side, about the tree side, and so you will be one moment so popping up already. But these children, meaning that they are targeting the international market. They are targeting the international market. Watch out for that movie. Watch out for that movie, The Lion of Burkina Faso. We kakrebi ena yede echremo na mo share we trailer. The real movie nankasa nyeden enyama ena trailer no kwa menim say we the final trailer na dia. I don't know, but if this is the final trailer, Charlie, very powerful movie, very nice movie. As kids, nkwara omo ye YouTubers. Nkwara omo ye YouTubers so. Omo ye YouTubers. Ejuma ma ye ni. Nkwara nketenkete omo ye YouTubers so. Don't go and compare this work to anyone's work or anybody's work. And in fact, you can compare obi ejuma me pacho. Omuso mu di omayeni. Omuso mu di omayeni. It is watch a movie be now they compare and collaborate we na me pacho and fa me compare. Obi ye ne de it is helping the Ghana movie industry to grow. We are all pushing. We are not there for one particular channel or one particular person or one particular movie industry or one particular production house. We are there for the Ghana movie industry. This is a masterpiece and Quran Eddie Abba. I'm not looking for faults. I'm not looking for comparison. I'm not looking for any copyright issues. But it's about new movie about top market and so. I know I know say it will also catch the attention of the Burkinabés. This movie will also catch the attention of the Burkinabés. They should come and support. Send almost support a Bima and a Ko, you know. I would say this one will also come and support this particular movie. So this one, The Lion of Burkina Faso, is about the president of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, le président du Burkina Faso. Powerful movie. Yenko, ni yenko share the full trailer of the Lion of Burkina Faso, Le Lion de Burkina Faso. Yenko the full trailer no. Na yenko share how movie na kase. But watch out for the full movie and enchebiano about the markets and so. Being at the Fresh Boy Papa J, Polino Multimedia, we are here to promote the Ghana movie industry. Yeah, we are not here for grudge. We are there to promote the Ghana movie industry. Big ups to Africa Kiss in Love for this powerful story. Monsu Somaya, Modi Ebabe proof point in the Ghana movie industry. God bless you. Support to be a muhia biano, Nyankopon Emfa Emma. Yen catch abino, yen catch stakeholders say they should invest in some of the production houses in Ghana. They should invest in them because a bit more the zeal, the power, the techniques to promote and to produce good movies to help provide to improve the Ghana movie industry. And I can once see a movie na beto on ama mani agi a me so pese Ghana fo nyina mo adwene e ba so bi yen ko hwe trailer no ye hwe trailer ni wi a ye san hie bi ma ye be chew data movie ni be drop on Africa Kiss in Love a channel. So, me at the Fresh Boy Papa J, Polino Multimedia. Password and handle camera edit TV. Executive producer, Polino Ade Armstrong. No, Polino, and a forward video. I'm saying, you share Juma, Africa Kiss in Love. And Koranos, Aya, or Monday, Ababato, a market. So, very nice. Yen share trailer no. Yen share the full trailer. Now, one has a comment section, rate movie way over 100. Rate this particular movie over 100 at the comment section. More comments in Emra. Now share what you also think about the movie The Lion of Burkina Faso. Le Lion de Burkina Faso. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Sankara once told us to grow our own food and to speak the truth.
Keep going. More time. You make it.
Damiba lied. And the terrorists are still killing our people.
We take back our land, our future. Not for power. For our people. For dignity. The gold must be ready for transport. Our men are dying hungry. You are still shipping goods?
Le Burkina Faso ne sera plus gouverné par la peur.
We will build what they said we could never have on our terms, with our people, for our children. There are forces outside this palace you've never seen. We are not here to wear crowns and shoes.
You want me to destroy a man who is building Africa?
Il ne construit pas l'Afrique. Il construit des guerres. Wars that keep us out.
We form one shield, an alliance of Sahel states.
Take him out. Paris and even Canada. Papers ready.
You ruled us for 64 years. Took our gold, our dignity.
You have only 1 hour left. Call off your government.
You will never kill the spirit of Africa. From Dakar to Dar es Salaam, Lagos to Ouagadougou, Nairobi to Accra, Africa is rising.
We are no longer a continent of pity. We are no longer waiting for permission. We are Africa, the heart of humanity.